how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings. So ours still pretty much appear, but we have a few options you can go ahead and try doing. The first one is by searching here on your search bar. Press on or search for services over here. Then go ahead and press on run as administrator or just open. What you're gonna have to do now is search for LAN auto config. So scroll down to the W's over here. Then it's this one, LAN auto config. Right click, go to properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. So press on automatic, press on apply, and press on OK. The next option you have is going ahead to your settings. Then in your settings, go to network and internet, scroll down to advanced network settings and make sure these are enabled. So free Wi-Fi, enable this option over here. If it says disabled, then it's already enabled. So what you're gonna have to do now is go down to more settings, go to network reset. So it's gonna reset all network adapters to factory settings. Then press on reset now. Press on yes, and it's gonna follow up with a few more prompts, which you're gonna have to allow. After doing all of that, just go ahead to your Windows over here and press on restart. You can also go ahead and manually restart by shutting down the laptop itself or your Windows 11 and turning it back on, of course. But that's a few ways you could potentially fix this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.